Outdoors 331. Guess what? You guys' favorite thing, the captain of the boat, Mr. Beer, and then we got sails out. We're out on the lake of Lac La Hache. So let's see, how many feet of water are we at, Dad?
33.
Show the camera that.
33.
33 feet. And what's the new addition to your boat there, Dad? What do you do this year?
New mainsail.
New mainsail? Did you do a new front sail too?
Nope.
No, not yet.
The Janica's not here yet.
Oh, so it's coming.
July 12th.
July 12th. Are we going out on your birthday?
If I gotta be and get my sail.
All right. You heard it, folks. Sailing's gonna be happening pretty soon. So stay tuned. Thanks.
Thank you.
Oh, welcome out to our 331. We're back. Getting a little bit wet. My dad likes to dump bottles of water on me, apparently. But you guys enjoy the little bit of view you guys got there. Raise you guys up so you can see a little bit better. But we got the sails out, or one sail out, or the jib, whatever you want to call it. It's out. Enjoying the weather as much as we can. Died down quite a bit.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, we're not getting lean in action like we normally get, but not this weekend, but maybe next weekend. Stay tuned. Well, we're out fishing, guys. We got the rod in the water. I was using the green frog when we first came out. And what I was telling you guys last time, the little green frog is literally just, as my dad would put it, a bent piece of metal. So we'll see how it goes. So enjoy your watch. That'd be nice to catch fish while on film. But I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see. What do you think, Dad? Do you think we're gonna catch fish?
No.
But as my dad said, we found the mother lode of fish. The most fish he's seen in a while. So, see what happens. Stay tuned. Well guys, that was an adventure. Didn't catch no fish, but she's all packed up. We're heading back to town just in time for that nasty cloud to come. So I want to say thank you. That's the captain of the boat. Thank you for taking me out today. And that's Outdoors 331, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.